Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my slow English speaking video. So, in this video, I will say each and everything very slowly so that you can understand me very easily. So, let's get started. Today's video, I will tell you how I learned English by myself at home, or I will suggest you, if you are beginner, then how can you start your English journey from the zero level. So I think those are watching my videos, you all are interested in English. You all are interested in learning English. So, if you want to learn English from the zero level, then you have to know there are four components in English. These are listening skill, writing skill, reading skill, and another one is speaking skill. You have to improve four skills in English if you want to improve your English. In that case, in today's video, I will talk about listening skill. If you are beginner, in that case, you can start your English journey with listening skill. Listening skill means you have to listen a lot. You have to listen English. You have to listen English and you have to watch English videos. Okay, so if you are beginner, then you have to watch English videos and you have to listen English every day. Practice makes man perfect. So you have to practice every day. And that is why you have to watch English every day. You can watch English movies, you can watch English cartoon if you like cartoon then, or you can enjoy English music. But remember one thing, that is, if you are beginner, then you have to maintain your regularity. I mean, you have to watch or you have to listen English every day. It can be 30 minutes or 1 hour. It's up to you. But it will be very helpful. So that's it for today. I don't want it more longer. Keep watching videos, keep listening. And that's it. Happy morning and have a nice day.